How to download Facebook video. First, open your Facebook app and then select the video that you want to download. For example, here in Watch, select the video and click the Share button. Scroll through the Share to options and click Copy Link. Once copied, go to Safari and paste the link you copied earlier. Then add mbasic to this part of the URL as you can see in the video. Then click Go. You will be redirected to this page. Here you can see the video you want to download. So long press the video and click Download Linked File. Make sure to do this process fast because if you don't, you won't be able to download the video. Remember, long press then download linked file. Once done, you will see it in your downloads. And here you will be able to play it. And now we have successfully downloaded a Facebook video. Hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.